And let's start with Bitcoin. This is the weekly chart. As we can see, this is the second green week so far. And let's make everything visible. The chart from last week. I will change to the daily. Let's see which scenarios played out for so far. Okay. Wait, I make it invisible again. So what do we see? Here we had a low, and high, a higher low, and a higher high. We also managed to gain the last drop-off point here. We still holding, but seems like we're weakening off. Let's change to the 4-hour, make it more clear. Here you can see it too, low and high, higher low and a higher high. And let's see if we can continue. And why are we holding here? Okay, this was last week's chart. I removed the scenarios who are not valid at this time. Okay, so what happened? We dropped, we hold this line around 16,173. We did, and we went up again. And these are the 2 out of 4 scenarios that I've drawn in last week. Both of them happened. First, we play out this, we hold lower, and second, you can see it here. I will move it a little. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let me move it up. We gain the area. Here you can see here, and then you could enter it on the pullback, which was here. That's the 16,700. Now, but now, let's see. This is still valid as long as we hold here. Let's make it another color. Okay, as long as we hold above the 16,800, this is valid. This area already tested, so if we go lower, we will try to find other support. So this test already done. It's not open anymore. I will draw in some scenarios for now. Either we will try to find support around here, 16,440 area, and try to break it again. or we go all the way back till 16,170 and try to push from there. If we not succeed, either here or here, then we go all the way back till 15,700 area. Same as here, huh? Same as here. So what happened? Let me see daily. Yeah, we've managed to gain this whole area. Here you can see it. And now we try to gain so we are here now. We try to gain this area. And let's see if we can go up until the 18,000 area. Yeah, that's Bitcoin for this week. From here I will change to Ethereum. This is also last week's chart. I will start at the weekly. We'll make the lines invisible for now. Also second green week. And what we see, we had a lot of weeks around the area where we are now, 1250. So that was, before it was support, now it is resistance. Okay, this was last week's chart. The daily, I will remove those scenarios. Here we see the same, a low, a high, a high, a low, and a high, high on the daily chart. This was the last drop off, which brought us all the way down. So we have managed to gain this whole area. And now we still need to manage to gain this area. Yeah, make it a different color. Yeah. Yeah. So what do we see? On the daily, this is the resistance now. The 1300, 1200, 90, 79, 97, sorry. Okay, we will try to find support probably around 1200, between 1200, yeah, let's say around 1200. So this one is still valid. Try to find support and then try to test higher. And if not, then we will try to test even lower. Yeah. Around 1168. And the other one around 1205. So pick your entry, either aggressive or passive. The construction looking good. Low, high, higher, low, and high, high. Let's see if we can continue. And that was it for Ethereum this week. From here, we will go to KCS, Kucoin token. I will start at the weekly chart. Here we have red weeks the last few weeks. So Ethereum and Bitcoin have shown 2 green weeks and KCS has 2 red weeks. We are trying to find support. I hope you guys are doing well this week. It's getting very cold now here. Yeah, these are the weekly levels who are important for now. Change to the daily. Okay, the $5.80 already being tested. And the move is still downwards. Okay, just under the $5, let's say $4.99. there's a quite big block here, and it's people like to buy it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I will set it on logarithmic. Yeah. Make it easier to draw. I'll put in some scenarios. Okay, if we hold this $6.37, we can have either rejection here and try to test lower around $5.80. If we manage to gain, then we break construction and we can try to find a higher low to test the $7.60 area. If we fail to hold support here around the $6.37, then we will probably test lower, either, yeah, I'm not a fan of the $5.80 anymore because it's already been tested. Then we probably will continue the downwards movement until here, so we can try to give it a push from there, from the just under $5. Yeah, this will be the scenario, the possible scenarios for Kucoin. Okay. Stocks. Baba. Have I drawn this before? I think on Twitter, right? Not on YouTube. Okay, let's see what happened. Yeah. Okay, let's start at the weekly. This is the monthly. Nice. Okay, we are at the daily now. Gain here, gain here. Now we are rejecting. We are against here. We're testing this area, the $90 area. Okay. Then we will see if we continue the green days next week, and if we gain this 88.52 area, then we probably can try to enter around the 81 area. If we fail, if we fail, then I will try to enter around the $74. Give it a retry here. And then if we break, then we can continue with the first scenario. Yeah. It's very important to hold above the 74, because if not, then we go lower. Then we break construction. For now, it seems very good. How much is it? 58%. Fucking hell. That's nice. Okay. That was it for this week. I want to thank you guys for watching this week's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button if you like this content. In the descriptions below you can find my Twitter if you would like to follow more content from me. For now, thank you guys. See you all next week. Cheers. Bye bye.